What is your overall assessment, sir, of the testimony of Ramil Madriaga? Sabi ng iba, explosive. Sabi ng iba, dud. Sabi ng iba, pinakita niya yung connection. Sabi ng iba, ang daming inconsistencies. Doon po sa inyong nakita, sa inyong pong narinig, sa mga pinakita niyang videos, pictures, etc., at sa mga sagot ng ibang tao, ano ho ang inyong assessment now?
Pinky, remember, we are here to for the determination of probable cause only. So mababaw lang ang titingnan namin, 'di ba? So for purposes of determination ng probable cause, iba ang parameters dito. Unlike pagdating na sa trial
Trial.
proper, which is in the Senate, iba rin, mas malalim na doon. Because there, you can already attack the credibility through cross-examination ni Ramil Madriaga. Whether totoo o hindi yung sinasabi niya, siyempre, magbe-base kami based on the affidavit itself. At siyempre, kailangan i-rebut yan. So, siyempre, hanggat walang inire-rebut, ang magiging basis lamang namin yung affidavit at saka yung supplemental. So, ano yung magiging magiging basis namin para sabihin na walang katotohanan to? Because everything that we are hearing right now, puro sa media eh. Sumasagot sila sa social media. Eh hindi naman kami po pwedeng, kasi the basis of this is because sinabi niya sa social. Siyempre hindi ganon. Ang magiging basis lang namin, when the proper time comes, we vote for the determination of probable cause.
But personally, even setting aside probable cause, and this, what you're doing is akin to a preliminary investigation, as a congressman who is going to vote on the impeachment case against the vice president, do you personally think it's important to vet Ramil Madriaga?
I will do that once I am chosen as prosecutor.